lots of different monitoring tools in your environment. This way you can get true coverage of the entire estate. So the final area that I'm going to look at is the reports module. There are lots of other areas of the product which I could go into, but we only have so much time today. So if there's anything else that you've seen today that is of interest that I haven't covered, then obviously please do get in touch with us and we'd be happy to take you through that functionality. But the last thing before I do end is the reports module. So this is where we're able to take the data that we've collected and produce either ad hoc or scheduled reports which will extract that information into PDF format, format it nicely, perhaps with your own logo, that you could use either for internal reports, maybe even reports direct to customers. And we ship with a wide range of out-of-the-box reports, which you can see here, and you're also able to both customize those and create your own reports from scratch. So you can use our reports module to build those own custom reports, and they can be formatted however you want them to be. That's done with an open source reporting tool. This is based on Jasper reports, so you're able to use that as you wish with no extra costs involved. If I were to run one of these reports now, I can click on the report name and it will ask me for the information that I want to use to run that report. So for example, I might want to run something based on interfaces that we looked at earlier. That's the hashtag name that we were looking at that had some issues. The report will be automatically generated for me once I've entered that information, and then I can quickly step through that report to see exactly what was going on over that period of time. So this is a daily report, so we're looking at a day's worth of data, and we can immediately see here where the problems were and how long they lasted. So this particular interface has had an issue throughout the entire day, but we've also had some discard issues on this aggregated interface down here. So great way to get that extra insight and say, well, okay, over a period of time, how often have those errors been occurring? How big an issue are these things? So I can immediately see here there's some recurring issues or some ongoing issues that need some attention. That same information is also presented here in text format. So we can label that as needed and again add things like logos, colours and so on. Perhaps if you drop below a certain percentage or had a certain amount of outages, you might want to highlight that in different colours. So all of that can be automated for you through custom reporting. And if you want to, when you're finished, you can download that as a PDF report, and this